Welcome to AIM Industries, your trusted wire mesh partner. As a leading wire mesh manufacturer, AIM Industries is known for a wide range of products. Triple twist gabion, a durable solution for civil engineering and landscaping. Welded wire mesh, crafted for construction, agriculture, and industrial needs. Barbed wire, your safeguard to protect your surroundings. Chainlink provides reliable fencing for various applications. Chicken mesh, specialized for poultry and agricultural needs. PVC coated wire to enhance durability and corrosion resistance. Our quality assurance is compliant with international standards. Impressive production capacity, ready to produce 150 tons monthly. Dedicated customer satisfaction to meet your expectations. We are a strong partner of manufacturing.pk, boosting our visibility to potential clients. Choose AIM Industries, your partner for durability and reliability. Contact us now.